Welcome to the new weekly analysis with Harmonic scanner. What I can see currently, we have two patterns that has been formed this week, which is a bullish bet pattern. The first one is euro against Japanese yen on the 4-hour time frame, where we can see that the bet pattern has been formed in line with the technical analysis. First of all, first filter was that the price is formed in the direction of the trend. This trend is a bullish, and we have a bullish bet pattern formed here, but with the potential reversal zone with the targets here and here. Second one is euro against Australian dollar, is also a bullish bet pattern in line with the technical analysis, where the bullish bet pattern has been formed in line with this direction of the trend. It is a bullish trend where the price has reached potential reversal zone and it is currently heading up. So these are the two ones that I will also follow, and we can see to make the technical analysis. First of all, I always use support and resistance levels, put them on the chart to see where the important support and resistance levels are located, and after that we will see will the price manage to go up or down, manage or reach the support and resistance levels, and also the targets that are in front of the price for the bet pattern. We can see I'm quickly putting these support and resistance levels so I can manage easily. Very important supply demand zones, and just to confirm is the stop loss and take profit levels for the bullish bet pattern in line with this technical analysis. Now we can see that here we have a very important support level, and the price has reached this support level. This is a potential reversal zone. The price has bounced back up. First resistance level that the price needs to make to break to the bullish side is this one here, and the first take profit is here. So I would move this take profit just below this first resistance level, so the price is reaching this one. If the price reaches first take profit, I would move the stop loss above this area of entry level, potential reversal zone. The second take profit is also above this area of resistance. I would slightly move below, just if the price make a bullish breakout above this one. We can see that in the past how the price behaves. Let's zoom in a little bit. The price usually reaches this next resistance, which is here. So I would likely to be on the safe side and also to trigger second take profit as a valid one. So we'll see how the price will behave on these resistance levels. Stop loss is below the area of, we can see that, of the potential reversal zone. So I would slightly move this one stop loss just slightly below. If the price goes down, sometimes the price could bounce from this area from here and return back up. So if the price goes below, making a bearish breakout, this will be activated stop loss. So it is usually the end of this potential bullish bet pattern. For now, we can see that price has bounced from this area of entry level, and it is heading to first area of resistance. If it is broken, the first take profit could be reached. So this bullish bet pattern is in line with my technical analysis, so I'm inclined to see this bullish bet pattern as a valid and successful, which means reaching the first take profit and also especially target 2. If it reaches the first take profit, I will move this stop loss above the entry level, just in case if the price returns back down, it closes this order with a small profit, instead waiting to go all the way back down, reaching a stop loss and going out of the trade with a loss. So this is euro against Australian dollar. We will see how the price behaves in the next week. The second one is euro against Japanese yen, similar one, where we can see the price has reached potential reversal zone and quickly bounced back up. First take profit is very close here. It will be probably reached next week, and also the second take profit is below a very important resistance level. You can see that I already have put the support and the resistance levels on the chart. I could also put this one here, which is also very important. Just a minute. Horizontal. Here it is. This is also a very important support level. We can see that how the price behaves here. It is important support level, and we can see our stop loss is widely down. So I would move this one slightly up. If it is reached here, it means it is not valid bullish bet pattern. But for now, I would leave this first take profit and the second take profit as a valid one. So I will not change this one. I will just follow next week how the price will behave. Here in the small window, you can see more details about this bullish bet pattern. You can see this is a potential reversal zone, PRZ. This is the gray area. The entry level is the blue line. We have a stop loss, which is a red line, and the risk to reward is 3.8, which is a grade, which means this is the difference between the blue line compared to the stop loss compared to the take profit. and we have a target 1 and target 2. In my case, if the price reaches first take profit, I will move this stop loss above the entry level, just in case if the price returns back down, so it is closed with a small profit instead of waiting to reach the stop loss and making this trade as a bad one with a loss. So this is also the second trade which I will follow, and also will notify you next week, and also inside the analysis how the price is behaving. So I'm using this technical analysis to increase the chances of being successful and picking the best patterns that will be much more successful than being a failed one. Now we can see this is the small window that you can also move around. You can show or hide all of the patterns that are currently visible on the chart, but I have picked this one only as a bullish bad pattern, and I have analyzed only this one. If you would like, you can also change the time frame to move from the 4-hour time frame to the 1-hour time frame, and you can also change here a symbol if you would like, for example your USD simply type, and you will have more brokers listed here. Then you have here the tools. You can also change the candles, also the chart appearance. You can have the bars. Then you have here the indicators that you can use, and you have here settings to show or hide this floating window, which you can move with your mouse. Simply click on it, hold your left mouse button and move around. And you have here a filter where you can define much more details if you would like. Just a minute, I need to reload the web page so you can see how the filter works. Here it is now. You can see all the patterns that are currently detected by the Harmonic SAP scanner on this pattern, on this symbol, on this time frame. Here inside the filter you can select some of the settings. For example, you can remove or put also these successful and failed patterns on the chart. If you do not want them, you can simply deselect them. You can also have a support and resistance levels. These are the blue lines. You can see when I activated them. If you do not know how to put support and resistance levels, you can use this one from the Harmonic SAP. And here are all the patterns that you would like to have on the chart. I have completely deselected these, so I have only allowed to have these ones. Then you have here a monitor where you can do more analysis. That means here inside the settings and inside the security, you are selecting all the details that you would like to follow. First of all, you can select the time frame, you can select which asset classes and also which patterns. You can see I have selected only bad pattern because I like to trade only bad pattern on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. And I have selected only a complete. Incomplete and mature, you can check the YouTube channel where I have explained more in detail what are these patterns and also how to read them. Then you have security where you can go more in depth about the symbol, which symbol you would like to follow. I have selected only major, and you can see I have selected only this one, Australian dollar as CHF as an example. And below that you can also select which of the indices, bonds and also commodities or the metal you would like to have them here on the chart. When you select, for example, here inside this table where you have all the details, this chart will show you that symbol and also that pattern. For example, we have US dollar against Japanese yen. It is the symbol here on the daily time frame. The daily time frame is this one here, and it is status failed, which means this bad pattern, which is a bullish one, has been failed, which means the stop loss, which is the first one, has been reached, and this bad pattern is been failed. For example, if there is a successful, you have a successful one, which means from the potential reversal zone, which is also a gray area, and the blue line, the entry level, the price has reached the first take profit 2 level instead of going to the stop loss. When it reaches first take profit 2, it is a successful one. So you can see here you have a table where you can also make some kind of the analysis on which pattern, on which symbol, on which time frame you would like to have, and make the analysis which one is successful, which one is complete. And also you have here complete, which means it is still valid to trade, which means the price did not reach the take profit 2 or the stop loss. So it is still available for trading if it is complete. Failed and successful is easily understandable. Now you can see all the details here. You can check this table and also make some kind of analysis if you would like. Then you have here a notification where you have a list of all symbols that you have defined here inside the settings and the watch list. Watch list defines which symbols you would like to have. You can select Forex major and Forex minor, and below that you can also here where it is add a new symbol, you can type which symbol you would like to add to this list. In the settings you again select which time frame, which pattern, which pattern type you would like to follow. I have selected, you can see, only the daily, 4-hour time frame and only bat pattern. So when there is a harmonic SAP scanner, if it detects any kind of bat pattern on this symbol on different time frame, it will be listed here and immediately send me a notification on the Telegram on my mobile phone. So when I click on it, I will go to the chart and we'll see how this bat pattern looks. And I can make simply very fast analysis if it is in line with the technical analysis, which means if it shows, for example, it is pointing in the direction of the trend, this will be the next step, and then I would make the analysis with the support and resistance levels. If it is okay, I would move forward and also open the trade. So you can also make your own analysis to verify this one. So you can see this notification window shows you all the patterns that can be sent to the Telegram. So if you would like to use this one, you can also have the instructions how to set up Telegram for the Harmonic SAP to receive on your mobile phone. For now, this is all for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as soon as possible. And that's all. See you next time and happy trading.